Hello everyone, in this lecture we'll be deriving the value of closed loop voltage gain, that is AF, for inverting amplifier. So this is your inverting amplifier, this is your input which is fed to the inverting pin and the positive pin is grounded. There is a feedback resistance R1 and an input resistance R1 here. There is a load resistance RL here. Now this is also called as voltage shunt feedback amplifier because the output here is voltage and here the feedback signal is in shunt with your input. So this is named as voltage shunt feedback amplifier. Let's calculate the value of AF, which is closed loop voltage gain. So this is our first parameter. So we know here if we apply KCL at this node, I can write this as I in is equal to IF. This current is 0, so plus 0 I will write it as. So I can show this as plus 0. Now I in is nothing but V in minus V2 divided by R1. IF is nothing but the current flowing here, that is V2 minus V0 divided by RF. Now we know already that V0 is nothing but A times of V1 minus V2 from here. This is plus V1 minus V2. Now I can substitute the value of this V1 here as 0 because V1 is physically connected to ground. So this is minus V2. And now I can substitute this value of V2 from here, that is equal to minus V0 by capital A back to this equation here. And same here also. So when I substitute, I'll get V in. This will become V0 by A because minus minus plus divided by R1 is equal to. This is minus V0 divided by A minus V0 divided by RF. So this is the value of I in is equal to IF equation. Now what I will do next is I can write this as V in by R1 plus V0 A by R1 is equal to this side minus A RF minus V0 over RF. Now I will take all the V0 terms together. So if I take all V0 terms together, so this is nothing but V in by R1 is equal to minus V0 1 upon A RF minus 1 upon RF 1 upon A R1. Now if you want to multiply minus on both the sides, I can write this as minus V in by R1 is equal to minus this. Here in this step I took minus this side, so this will be plus because this side goes here. So all are minus, minus if I take common, so minus V0 this value. Now if I multiply, then this will be this, multiply by minus on both the sides, so this will be minus here, this will become plus here. Now I will take ARF common here, so this will become plus, here it will become 1, here it will become RF by R1 because AA will cancel. From here if I calculate V0 by V in ratio, so I can get the value of V0 by V in, but before that I will say A is very greater than RF by R1 plus 1. So I can even write this term as capital A. So minus V in by R1 is equal to V0 by ARF and this will be capital A. This will cancel with this. This implies that V0 by V in is nothing but minus RF by R1. So this is your AF value, which is ideal for inverting amplifier. Now let's see the exact value. So from here, if I don't ignore 1 plus RF by R1, then your V0 by V in can be written as this ARF goes up and this R1 stays here and this minus sign here, this term comes down. So this will be R1 plus AR1 plus RF. This R1 will go up, R1 cancel, so I will get this term. Now this is your exact value of AF. This is exact value. Now if you want to modify it further, you can modify this. How? You divide and multiply both numerator and denominator by RF plus R1. Similarly here also, so if I divide RF plus R1, so it will become, these two terms will become 1 because I am dividing RF plus R1 divided by RF plus R1. So this is AR1 divided by RF plus R1. Now this term here, I will write it as K. This term here, I will write it as B. So I can write this as minus AK over 1 plus AB. So this is your formula for AF, which is exact value. Now I will draw the diagram for this exact value. What you got here is based on this formula. So let's draw it. So that formula can be drawn in the form of log diagram as this. This is your V in, this is your K, attenuation factor, this mixer, this is your amplifier A, this is V0, this is your B. This is going here, this is plus here, this is minus. So this is the formula. AF is equal to minus, the formula you got here is minus A K 1 plus AB. So this is the implementation of this AF given over here. So this is all about your derivation of your AF. Now there is one more way of deriving the value of AF using virtual ground concept. So this is second method. This is second method of AF derivation. So again, if I go back here to the diagram, apply KCL, I will write In is equal to IF. So here I wrote In is equal to IF. Again from equation, I can write V in minus V2 divide V in minus V2. But V2 here is how much? 0 by the concept of virtual ground. Why? Because V1 is 0. So by virtual ground, I can write V1 is equal to V2 is equal to 0. And thus I can write this as In as V in minus 0 divided by R1. V in minus 0 divided by R1. And this again I can write this as 0 minus V0 divided by RF. So 0 minus V0 divided by RF. From here, if I calculate V0 by Vin, which is nothing but AF, that is equal to minus RF by R1. So this is another way of deriving the value of AF. That's all for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.